Welcome to WP Pioneer by Tarek Hassan.
How to install and set up MailChimp in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the MailChimp plugin in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you have an active account with MailChimp. The MailChimp plugin helps you to add subscribers to your website using various methods by creating good-looking forms. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for MailChimp. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the MailChimp plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The MailChimp plugin is activated now. Click on the Settings option. Let's configure the MailChimp plugin. In the MailChimp API settings, provide the API key. Click on the Save Changes button. You are now connected with your MailChimp account. Now click on the Forms menu under MailChimp for the WordPress option. On the Edit Form page, enter the title of your sign-up form. In the Form Fields section, click on the option that you want to add to your sign-up form. In order to add dynamic variables like date and time to your form, click on the Form Variables button. To add custom fields to your form, click on the Add More Fields button. Click the Save Changes button. Click the Messages tab. The Forms message section helps to configure the messages that are to be shown to visitors on certain incidents while filling the sign-up form on your WordPress website. You can configure these options as per your requirements. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Settings tab. The Settings tab helps you to configure options for your website subscribers. Configure the form settings as per your requirements. Form Behavior options helps you to configure the post-sign-up behavior of your website. Select the radio button in Hide Form after a successful sign-up option as per your requirement. Fill in the URL that you want to show your visitor after a successful sign-up. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Appearance tab. Click on the Forms Type drop-down window to select the form style in the Form Appearance section. Click on the Save Changes button. To preview the form, click on the Preview This Form button. Now, click on the Integrations menu. Enable Integrations section helps you to integrate other form plugins. In order to use these forms, install and activate the corresponding plugin. Click on the Other menu. In the Miscellaneous Settings section, configure the usage tracking option as per your requirements. Configure the logging options as per your requirement. Click on Empty Log button to clear the debug logs whenever you want. Click on the Save Changes button. That's it! You have successfully configured the MailChimp plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up MailChimp plugin in WordPress. WP Pioneer by Tarek Hassan is building the biggest collection of WordPress tutorials. If you find something helpful from this video and want to stay updated, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.